This dance is called Eyes for You. It's a 48 count, 4-wall, improver level line dance. Starting on our right foot, chassé to the right, side goes side. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Into a couple of toe struts, we're going to be travelling to the left. So the first one is a side strut. So you step your left toe to the side, lower the heel. A cross strut, step the right toe over the left, lower the heel. Side strut, cross strut. That section once more then, chassé to the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side strut, cross strut. Chassé to the left, side close side, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. This time we're going to do some kick ball crosses. Right foot leading, kick ball cross, kick ball cross. That section once more then, chassé to the left. 7, 8, left chassé, back, rock, kick ball cross, kick ball cross. Let's add those two together. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side strut, cross strut. Left chassé, back, rock, kick ball cross, kick ball cross. Add on a little vine to the right with a quarter turn on the end. Step right to the side, cross left behind, quarter turn right, hitch the left. Walk back 3 steps, left, right, left, touch the right beside the left. So that set of steps once more then, vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, hitch, back, 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 touch. So add that to the top, chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side strut, cross strut, left chassé, back, rock, kick ball cross, kick ball cross. Side, behind, turn, hitch, back, 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 touch. Into a kind of modified V-step now. So rather than actually treading forward, you're just going to the sides. So you're going to step your right to the side, your left to the side, hold. Bring the right back in, left beside the right, hold. Right to the side, left to the side, right back in, left back in, and repeat. Right out, right in, left in. So it's 2 outs with a hold, 2 ins with a hold, outs and ins, no holds. So let's try that once more. Off on that right. 7, 8, out, hold, in, hold, out, in, out, in. Now they are quite fast, those steps. I will go through the counts at the end, but I'll tell you the counts for this section now. When you're doing that, those steps out, it's and 1, hold 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So they are quite fast. Now if you do find that your legs are getting a bit tired, especially on the latter bits, out, in, what you can do is try and do it half time. So you'll do your and out, hold, and in, hold, then just go out, in. So it's an option to try and take some of that strain off your legs if you're starting to get a bit tired. So let's put that onto the top. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side strut, cross strut, left chassé, back, rock, kick ball cross, side, behind, turn, hitch, back, 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 touch, and in, out, in, out, in. Go forward now on some step lock steps, single count timing steps, which you probably need after having done all that outs and ins. Right foot leading, step, lock, step, brush left, step, lock, step, brush right. Nice easy little set after that last bit. Once more, half on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. So add that to the top. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, side strut, cross strut, left chassé, back rock, kick, full cross, side, behind, turn, hitch, back, 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 touch and out, hold and in, hold, out, in, out, in, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush. Step forward on the right, hold, pivot half a turn left, hold, add on a jazz box with a cross, cross right over left, step left back, right to the side, cross left over right. End of dance when you get to that point. So that last section once more then. We'll just brush the right, stepping forward on the right into that pivot. 7, 8, step, hold, pivot, hold, cross, back, side, cross. Let's put it all together. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, side strut, cross strut, left chassé, back rock, kick, full cross, side, behind, turn, hitch, back, 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 touch and out, hold and in, hold, out, in, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, hold, pivot, hold, cross, back, side, cross. So that's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is your timing. Now it is a full wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, side strut, cross strut, left chassé, back rock, kick, full cross, side, behind, turn, hitch, back, 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 touch and out, and in, and out, and in, and out, and in, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut, left chassé, back, rock, kick, full cross, side, behind, turn, hitch, back, 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 touch and out, and in, and out, and in, and out, and in, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross, right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut, left chassé, back, rock, kick, full cross, side, behind, turn, hitch, back, 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 touch and out, and in, and out, and in, and out, and in, step, lock, step, brush, step, lock, step, brush, step, pivot, cross, back, side, cross. So that's your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. 6, 7, 8. Right chassé, back rock, side strut, cross strut. Left chassé, back rock, kick across, side behind, turn hitch, back, stretch and out, and in, and out and in, and out and in. Step, lock, step, brush, step, hit, cross, back, side, cross, right chassé, back rock, side strut, cross strut. Left chassé, back rock, kick across, side behind, turn hitch, back, touch and out, and in, and out and in, and in. Step, lock, step, brush, step, brush, step, hit, cross, back, side, cross, right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Left chassé, back, rock, kick across, side behind, turn, hitch, back, touch and out, and in, and out and in, and out and in. Step, lock, step, brush, step, hit, cross, back, side, cross, right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Left chassé, back, rock, kick across, side behind, turn, hitch, back, touch and out, and in, and out and in, and out and in. Step, lock, step, brush, step, hit, cross, back, side, strut, right chassé.
The first thing that passes by.
Left chassé.
Looks like a chick for the twinkle in her eye.
Vine.
Some like a girl 'cause she's nice and kind.
Nice.
But I love you, baby, 'cause you're mine, oh mine.
Step up.
Yeah. I only have
Step
eyes
it.
for you. That's right. Whoa.
Chassé.
Yeah. I only have eyes for
Chassé.
you. Yes, I have. 'Cause I
Vine.
want nobody to have my
And out. Step locks. Hope you managed that one.